Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called What Permits Are Required for a Whole Home Remodel in Arizona. All right, folks, let's go over the permission slips of the adult world. Building permits. You've got dreams bigger than a desert sky, and the last thing you want is for those dreams to tumble because of missed paperwork. So, what do you need when tackling a whole home remodel right here in the Grand Canyon State? First, the building permit. This is your golden ticket, the Willy Wonka pass, to structural, plumbing, and electrical work. Anytime you breathe new life into the bones of your house, you need a building permit to turn those as seen on TV plans into reality. It confirms everything follows local safety standards, because trust me, nobody wants their home to become an instant demolition derby. Next up, you might need a zoning permit. Got grand plans to add on to your palace? Say another room, a garage, or towering metal dragon sculptures? Zoning permits ensure your dreams align with community plans and setbacks. They're the referees that tell you what's allowed in the wonderful world of neighborhood statutes and guidelines. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. A reputable contractor will lead the permit parade knowing exactly what's needed, when it's needed, and if you've got any flashcards missing from your building bingo. Now, don't forget about the electrical permit. This ensures your wiring isn't playing hooky, promising power, without the risk of sparking a light show that rivals the best firework display, but not in a good way. And then there's the plumbing permit. Anytime you're messing with water lines, new bathrooms, or kitchen overhauls, it's crucial to square everything with city regulations to prevent midnight visits from your friendly neighborhood waterfall woes. Lastly, historical properties might require special approval from the Historical Society. These folks ensure any modifications honor the uniqueness and integrity of the structure's origins. So, before your remodeling adventure unfolds, do the homework. Check with local city or county offices for specific permit requirements and get everything in line. Investing effort into getting the right paperwork isn't just a necessity, it's part of the process that secures peace of mind. Letting your creativity flow unimpeded and affirming your remodel is smooth sailing from drawing board to dream home. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.